All right, so this is what my house is looking like, a complete disaster. It looks so gross. So we definitely have some cleaning up to do. So let's get started. Alright, you guys, so right now I am just starting off with washing my dishes and putting them in a dishwasher. I had so much dishes to wash. So in the video, you'll see me doing two separate portions as far as the dishes. So this part, I'm just putting up the first load. I did also wash some by hand, but I got super tired of doing that. So I decided to split it into two loads to put in a dishwasher. So this is pretty much load one.
Thinking that I'm a quick, you gotta keep it real. I got enough of you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired, trying to put out my fire. You didn't know I'm a liar, and you're a liar, 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 babe. Buy me a river, talking in silver. You know it's been a while since you came around. Look in the mirror, are you getting bitter? Don't you come around no more, baby, no, no more.
And to be honest, guys, I hate washing the dishes, but it's one of those things that we use every single day, so they do pile up. So I do wash it by hand to pretty much prep it first before it actually goes in the dishwasher. Therefore, the dishwasher isn't doing as much work to get the dishes clean.
Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired, trying to put out my fire. You didn't know I'm a liar, and you're a liar, 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 babe. La 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 la, liar, 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 babe. La 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 la, liar, liar, liar. La 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 la, liar, 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 babe. La 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 la, liar. Only photographs is what we have of what is left of us. Left of us. You don't think things through. No, I know you. Only photographs is what we have. Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired, trying to put out my fire. You didn't know I'm a liar, and you're a liar, 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 babe. La 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 la.
So I'm just using my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner to clean my surface. This thing is bomb, y'all. I do want to get the new, I don't think it's new, but I want to get the fall scent. I think it's called Acorn. I want to definitely try that one out because mine is almost over. So it's definitely the perfect time to pick up a new one, and I definitely want to try that one out. So it's definitely on my list of things to get from Target.
Atmosphere, smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. I do, I do, I do, I do believe in lovers like me and you. Yeah, you just keep on dancing all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, baby, I do, I do, I do. Wanna stay here and let
Y'all, please excuse me if I look tired in the video. I was definitely tired because I had to work at 6 o'clock in the morning that day. And I literally filmed the video after I got off of work. So I was definitely tired. My body was hurting, but I wanted to go ahead and get my house clean because it was starting to pile up and it was driving me crazy. So yes, excuse my resting bitch face and my appearance in this video, but again, this is just real life, you know, no fronting over here.
Every single flare inside your burning stare. Just wanna be inside, keep dancing in your mind. You'll be my nighttime Valentine.
Y'all, this Whip product is bomb.com. I got it at one of those like showings at Walmart where they have the little like people talking about the different products, and I saw the guy demo the product and I just knew I had to have it. It has cleaned up the toughest stains. I had put chocolate on my couch by mistake. It got it off. Any like spots or stains on the rug, it gets it up. This product is amazing. You can get it at Amazon, and I want to say at Bed Bath & Beyond, but it's definitely one of those products that you have to have in your house. It's amazing.
Wanna stay here and let those just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, 'cause I do. Tell everybody I do, baby, I do. Wanna stay here and let those just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, 'cause I do. You make me feel I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do.
If you guys want to see more cleaning videos on my channel, please be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. I do not mind filming them at all because I have to clean my house regardless. So definitely let me know down below if you have been enjoying the cleaning videos. I only have, I think, 2 on my channel thus far, but definitely let me know. And do you guys hear Trey Trey in the background? Hashtag mom life.
Sigh, 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. 2 heavy hearts is not a lie. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie.
Alright, you guys, this is pretty much me taking out my first load at the dishwasher, and I'm actually going to put in my second load in the dishwasher.
Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too to understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young.
If you guys are wondering where my other two burners are, they're actually in the dishwasher getting washed. They were so dirty and they looked horrible, so I did scrub it and wash it by hand, and then I just put it in the dishwasher just to get washed a little bit more. So if you're wondering where they are in the dishwasher.
Wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Someday we will look back, and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Oh yeah, this summer night, this summer night. Oh, this summer night.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna say.
Alright, you guys, this is Trey's room. It's really not that much to do in terms of cleaning, just a little bit of picking up here and there. Luckily, I already changed out the bed literally just the other day, so I have to clean up inside of here, vacuum the floor, put things away, but I guess we can get started.
Around like nighttime rumors, we were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
you guys are wondering, I typically wash his clothes on Sundays, so on this video day it was actually a Wednesday, so his clothes would actually be getting washed this Sunday that's coming up.
Soothing and